Okay, look, exercise 3.13, question number 5. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0 are real and equal, prove that either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. This is exercise 3.13. Exercise 3.13, question number 5. Let us see the solution. Given roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0. To prove a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, already here we are using small a, small b, small c, so that let us take capital A x square. Now we are taking the general form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Just compare and equate. Here x square coefficient a, here x square coefficient c square minus ab. So a equal to c square minus ab. So a equal to c square minus ab. Understood? Now here in general form, coefficient of x b. Here coefficient of x minus 2 into a square minus bc. So capital B equal to minus 2 into a square minus bc. Understood? Next, constant term c equal to, here the remaining term b square minus ac. So c equal to b square minus ac. Okay, now look, the roots of the equation are real and equal. Roots of the equations are real and equal. Real and equal means okay, now look, here the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal, right? So roots are real and equal means del value equal to 0. Am I right? So roots are real and equal means del value equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac, del value, that it is that particular discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Next, b value. Okay, now I write here, what is b? Minus 2 into a square minus bc the whole square, right? So b square means minus 2 into a square minus bc the whole square minus 4 a value c square minus ab into c value b square minus ac. B square minus ac. Understood? It is equal to 0. So apply the square for minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square means minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. So 4 into a square minus bc the whole square. Next, the remaining term write as it is, minus 4 into c square minus ab into b square minus ac equal to 0. Okay, look, here 4 is common, you know, so divided by 4. So this 4 and that 4 will be divided. Okay, so the remaining term a square minus bc the whole square minus c square minus ab into b square minus ac equal to 0. Now look, it is of the form a minus b the whole square. Understood? It is of the form a minus b the whole square. We know that I write the formula here. What is a minus b the whole square? Okay, already here we are using small a, small b. So you should not be confused. So I take here capital A capital B, a minus b the whole square. Understood? Okay, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here this a square is capital A, here bc is capital B. So a minus b the whole square means a square. So a square the whole square plus b square. So bc the whole square minus 2 a value a square and b value bc. Understood? Now minus, okay, write the value as it is, write the this expression as it is. So c square minus ab into b square minus ac equal to 0. Okay, now look, a square the whole square, it is a power 4 plus bc the whole square, it is b square c square minus 2a square bc. Now multiply, okay, here this minus let's put outside. Now multiply c square into b square, so b square c square. Now multiply minus ab into b square, so minus ab cube. Okay, so now again multiply c square with minus ac, so minus ac cube. Okay, minus ac cube. Next multiply minus ab with minus ac. Okay, so minus into minus plus a into a square bc. Okay, moon step means some places we will take this way, okay, and some places we will take this way, both are same. Okay, look, now a power 4. Next, okay, now let us rearrange this. B square c square minus b square c square. So this will be, we may write like this, a power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc. Multiply the minus inside, so minus b square c square, okay, minus b square c square, minus into minus plus plus ab cube plus minus into minus plus plus ac cube. Now minus into plus minus a square bc equal to 0. Okay, now I write the next step. For our understanding I am writing here. Look, b square c both will be cancelled. B square c square both will be cancelled. Now look, a power 4, then minus 2a square bc minus a square bc. So for next, okay, I take another color to mention properly for this one and that one. Look, minus 2a square bc minus a square bc, so minus 2 minus 1, this is minus 3, so minus 3 a square bc. Okay, okay, now then write the remaining term as it is, so plus ab cube plus ac cube. Understood? So that is equal to, okay, look, a, the value is common here, so a is common, so I take 1a outside, so a into, here a power 4, 4 a's are there, when we take 1a outside, here a cube. Next, let us write in order, a cube. Next, here 1a, when we take it out, this will be b cube, simply b cube. Okay, now here ac cube, when you take a outside, this will be simply c cube minus 3, here a square are the here a square are there. When we take 1a outside, this will be simply a. So minus 3 a b c equal to 0. So a into a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. So a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. So a equal to 0 or move this 3abc to the right side. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So hence proved. Understood? Okay, now let us move to next section. The relation between roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. Relation between roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. Okay. Now basically we know the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, right? So here plus or minus, you know, so plus means we may take it as alpha and minus means we may take it as beta. Okay, so that this plus or minus we divide into two part. Plus means alpha and in the middle minus means this will be beta. So alpha beta are the roots of the equation. Okay, now alpha plus beta, this we may take it as a formula, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. I repeat, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Okay, now let us enter into exercise 3.14. Write each of the following expression in the terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, the given sum, it may be a different kind, but we should change the given sum into the terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, so look, alpha by 3 beta plus beta by 3 alpha. So let us take this. Now let us do the cross multiplication. Okay, move this 3 alpha. Okay, I told this logo already. Understood? So move this 3 alpha there. So 3 already there is 1 alpha, so alpha square. Understood? Plus, and from left to right top, so already we okay, here 3 beta, there already beta, so 3 beta into beta, beta square by, now multiply the denominator, both denominators. So 3 3s are 9 alpha beta, so alpha beta. And look, here 3 is common, you know, so take 3 outside. So 3 into alpha square plus beta square, okay, by 9 alpha beta. Okay, now apply 3 table to cancel these numbers. 3 1s 3, 3 3s are 9. So alpha square plus beta square divided by 3 alpha beta. Okay, we know the formula, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, okay, here then what about alpha plus beta the whole square? This is equal to, a is equal to alpha, b equal to beta. So alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Understood? Okay, now here we need alpha square plus beta square value. So here we need alpha square plus beta square. So move this 2 alpha beta to the left side. Okay, so alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to alpha square plus beta square. So instead of alpha square plus beta square, we may apply alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Understood? So this step is very important. Okay, so alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole divided by 3 alpha beta. So now look, we have changed the following expression in the terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, alpha plus beta, alpha beta, alpha beta. So we have changed. Okay, now subdivision 2. 1 by alpha square beta plus 1 by beta square alpha. The same way to the cross multiply, move this alpha beta square alpha plus move this alpha square beta to the right side, so alpha square beta whole divided by, look, we should multiply the denominators. So alpha square, here one alpha, so alpha cube, am I right? Now beta square, so beta cube. Okay, there alpha beta common, am I right? Here 2 beta, here 1 alpha, here 2 alpha, 1 beta, so alpha beta common. So alpha beta into, there this alpha we have take it out, so beta also we are taking outside, so the remaining beta plus here 2 alpha, 1 alpha we are taking out, so alpha, and remaining 1 alpha will be there, and beta, this beta we are taking outside, so here. So only one thing, common values we are taking outside. Okay, this is enough, understood, by alpha cube beta cube. Now let us cancel alpha, so here 2, and beta there also 2, so denominator alpha square beta square. So numerator we have beta plus alpha by alpha square beta square, that is equal to alpha plus beta. Let us rearrange alpha plus beta by alpha square beta square, this is alpha beta the whole square, am I right? So alpha beta the whole square. Okay, now subdivision 3. 3 alpha minus 1 into 3 beta minus 1. Let us multiply. 3 alpha, 3 beta, 3 3s are 9, alpha beta. Now 3 into minus 1, so minus 3 alpha. Now minus 1 into 3 beta, minus 3 beta. Next minus 1 into minus 1, this will be plus 1, understood? That is equal to 9 alpha beta. Here minus common, you know, so we should take the minus outside, so minus 3 also the common, so minus 3 into alpha plus beta. How plus? This minus we are taking outside, means this will be plus, understood? So alpha plus beta plus 1, enough. Okay, now subdivision 4. Alpha plus 3 by beta plus beta plus 3 by alpha. Okay, now let us multiply, move this alpha to the left side. Okay, here the left side, the first term, so alpha into alpha plus 3, understood, plus move this beta there, beta into beta plus 3, whole divided by alpha beta. Okay, now multiply the alpha inside, so alpha into alpha, alpha square plus 3 alpha plus beta square plus 3 beta, whole divided by alpha beta, that is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 3 into alpha plus beta. Okay, here 3 common, so 3 into alpha plus beta, whole divided by alpha beta. And previously I told you, no, alpha plus beta the whole square means alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, and we will move this 2 alpha beta to the left side. Already we have alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to alpha square plus beta square, so that instead of alpha, So that instead of alpha square plus beta square, we will apply alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So that we have applied here. Okay, alpha square plus beta square. Instead of this, we have written here alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now the remaining term 3 into alpha plus beta whole divided by alpha beta. Understood? Okay, now question number 2. The roots of the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0 are alpha and beta. Without solving for the roots, find 1 plus alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay, without solving the roots. Here we don't want to find the root, but we should find this value. Okay, very easy way. Just compare the given equation. Just compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, just compare. Then what about a equal to 2? So a equal to 2. Now b equal to minus 7, b equal to minus 7, then c equal to 5. Here c equal to 5. Okay, now we know that alpha plus beta, I told you this is very important. Okay, so alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is equal to minus b. Already b has minus, so outside minus, so minus into minus plus 7 by a value 2, so 7 by 2. Then alpha beta equal to c by a, so 5 by 2. Okay, so this one we should find. I repeat, compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, so that we may find a, b, c value, and then alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha beta c by a, apply its value, and we will get alpha plus beta 7 by 2, alpha beta equal to 5 by 2. Understood? Now let us move to find subdivision 1, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Move this beta to the left side there and alpha the right side there. So alpha plus beta by alpha beta, that is equal to alpha plus beta, it is 7 by 2, so 7 by 2 by alpha beta it is 5 by 2. Understood? Look, 2 cancel, so that is equal to 7 by 5. Clear? Now subdivision 2, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha equal to alpha square. Okay, cross multiply alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Look, this alpha square, now this one beta square, now the base alpha beta. Okay, so alpha beta, that is equal to alpha square plus beta square. I told you already, this is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta the whole square value, it is 7 by 2, so I write here alpha plus beta the whole square, it is 7 by 2 the whole square minus 2, what is alpha beta, 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Okay, whole divided by alpha beta value 5 by 2. Look, 7 by 2 the whole square, so square is for common both numerator and denominator, so 7 square 49 and 2 square 4. Now look here, 2 cancel, so minus 5 whole divided by 5 by 2. Okay, now let us make a LCM here, so this will be 49. Now I write only the numerator because denominator is very easy. Now I write only the numerator, 49 minus 20 by 4. So 49 minus 20, it is 29 by 4. Understood? So 29 by 4 into, move this 5 by 2 reciprocal there, so into here denominator 2 is denominator, it will go as a numerator, so into 2 by, in the down part 5 is numerator, it will go as a denominator, so 2 by 5. Okay. Okay, now let us simplify using 2 table. Here 1, that 2, so 29 into 1 29 by 2 into 5 10. Okay. Okay, now subdivision 3. Alpha plus 2 by beta plus 2 plus beta plus 2 by alpha plus 2. The same way, do a cross multiplication, that is equal to, move alpha plus 2 there, already there is alpha plus 2, so alpha plus 2 the whole square. Okay, plus beta plus 2 beta plus 2, so beta plus 2 the whole square by beta plus 2 alpha plus 2, so alpha plus 2, I write in order, alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. Okay, now let us apply a plus b the whole square form. What is that a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a is equal to alpha and b equal to 2, so a square, so alpha square plus 2ab, so plus 4 alpha plus b square, so plus 4. The same way, apply beta plus 2 the whole square in this form, so plus a square beta square plus 2ab plus 4 beta plus b square 2 square 4 whole divided by the denominator term alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. Now look, let us arrange in order, alpha square plus beta square plus, now look, 4 alpha 4 beta, there 4 is common, you know, so we should take outside, so plus 4 into alpha plus beta plus 4 plus 4 8 whole divided by, let us multiply the denominator, so alpha beta, next plus 2 alpha, next 2 beta, next plus 4, 2 2s are 4, understood. Then alpha square plus beta square, this we know, alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2ab, alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2ab plus 4 into alpha plus beta plus 8, okay, whole divided by alpha beta plus, here 2 common, you know, so we should take 2 outside, here 2 common, so we should take 2 outside, so plus 2 into alpha plus beta, now plus 4. Okay, okay, now look, alpha plus beta everywhere we get the variable alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now let us apply its value. Alpha plus beta, it is minus 7 by 2, so 49 by 4. Now alpha beta value 5 by 2, so 2 cancel, so minus 5. Okay, now plus 4 into 7 by 2 plus 8 whole divided by 5 by 2 plus 2 into 7 by 2, so 49 by 4. Okay, then here minus 5, there 8, so 8 minus 5 3, and here when we simplify we will get 2 7s are 14. Okay, whole divided by, there 5 by 2 plus, okay, there also by 2, here also by 2. You may think that is why not we may cancel, but again you need to simplify, again you need to take as a LCM. So 5 by 2 plus 2 into 7 by 2, so 5 by 2 plus 2 into 7 14, so 14 by 2, so that 19 by 2, 5 plus 14 19, so 19 by 2 plus 4. Okay, okay, now the Next up I write here 49 by 4 plus 3 plus 14, it is 17 whole divided by 19 by 2 plus 4, that is equal to 49 plus, okay, just do a cross multiplication or take LCM. So 17 into 4, it is 68 by 4 whole divided by 19 plus, move this 2 there, so 8 by 2, so that we may get 49 plus 68 by 4 divided by 19 plus 8, it is 27 by 2. Okay, okay, now that is equal to 49 plus 6, okay, again I write here 49 plus 68, it is 117 by 4 whole divided by 27 by 2. Okay, now let's make a cross multiplication, okay, inverse here, that is equal to 117 by 4 into 2 by 27. Okay, now I apply 3 table, so here 9, the 39, again apply 3 table, here 3, the 13, okay, into, there also we may simplify, apply 2 table, here 2 ones 2, 2 2s are 4, so by 2, so numerator we get 13 into 1, denominator we got 2 into 6, so 13 by 6. Understood? Okay, now question number 3. The roots of the equation x square plus 6x minus 4 are alpha beta. Roots of the equation alpha beta. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square plus beta square. Okay, so here in this quadratic equation roots alpha beta, but we need to find a quadratic equation that's roots will be alpha square and beta square. Okay, so x square plus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Just compare with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x square coefficient here nothing, so let us take 1. So a equal to 1 and b equal to 6 and c equal to minus 4. Okay, so a equal to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to minus 4. Okay, now let us apply sum of roots and product of roots. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, it is a formula I told you already. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a equal to minus 6 by 1, so minus 6. Alpha beta equal to c by a, it is minus 4 by 1, it is minus 4. Okay, look, to find the equation whose roots are a square and b square. Okay, its sum alpha square plus beta square, alpha square and plus beta square, its value in last sum also I told how it come. So alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now apply alpha plus beta value, so minus 6 square, 6 the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value minus 4. Understood? Okay, now minus 6 whole square means apply square for minus, so plus, apply square for 6 square, it is 36. Now minus into minus plus, 2 4s are 8, that is equal to 36 plus 8, it is 44. Understood? Now product of roots equal to alpha square beta square, that is equal to alpha beta the whole square, that is alpha beta value minus 4 the whole square, so minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, so sum 44, product 16. Now look, the required equation is x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equal to 0. That implies, what is sum of root? It is 44. So x square minus 44x plus, what is product of roots? That is 16. So plus 16 equal to 0. Understood? Now 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. Okay, sum of root. so 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta, take 2 outside, so 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Now do a cross multiplication, so alpha plus beta by alpha beta, and then 2 into alpha plus beta by alpha beta, that is equal to 2 into alpha plus beta value minus 6 by alpha beta value minus 4, so minus minus cancel. When you simplify, we get 3. Here 2, already minus minus cancel, that is another, and now apply 2 table, we may cancel here, and we get 2, so 2 ones 2, 2 3s are 6, so 3. And then product of root, product equal to 2 by alpha into 2 by beta equal to 4 by alpha beta. Alpha beta value, it is minus 4, so 4 4 cancel, so we have minus, so minus 1. So sum of root, product of roots, when you apply this formula here, x square minus sum of root 3 into x plus product of root value, it's minus 1, so plus into minus minus, so minus 1 equal to 0. Now subdivision 3, alpha square beta and beta square alpha, sum of root alpha square beta plus beta square alpha, alpha beta common, so we should take it out, so alpha beta into alpha plus beta, apply alpha beta value, it is minus 4, alpha plus beta, it is minus 6, that is equal to 24. And product alpha square beta into beta square alpha, so alpha cube, actually here alpha cube beta cube there, am I right? So alpha beta the whole cube, alpha beta value we know minus 4, so minus 4 cube equal to minus 64. So that the required equation is x square minus 24x minus 64 equal to 0. It is x square minus sum of roots 24 x plus product of root, it is minus 16, so plus into minus minus 64 equal to 0. Understood? It is minus 64. So we get this equation.